In the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna be breaking down this indoor grill for you to let you know if it's a good buy for you or not. So it comes with a cleaning tool that helps clean the grill part. It's super easy. I'll show you that in a second. It comes with 2 of the grill plates. And to insert or release the grill plates from the grill, there's a knob here that's on both sides of the grill. You can control the temperature for the griddle or the temperature for the grill. The selector knob in the middle allows you to switch to the grill to the griddle or the griddle to the grill. Now the plates are double-sided, so you don't have to worry about having 4 plates. All you need is in these 2 plates. When it comes to closing the lid or making it flat like I have it now, you just pull this knob here down and just adjust it however you like. And the last thing you need to know, it does have a drip tray underneath it. It just slides in and slides out. Now we can talk about actually cooking food. So first thing I have to tell you is more of a gripe, but it may not be the fault of the grill, but the heat mostly comes from the bottom. So to get like that grill mark that everyone likes, like you see here, I actually had to flip the chicken and let it grill on both sides. The fact that it's non-stick makes it super easy to clean, and I love that the grill plates aren't too big, so you can just grab a sponge, warm or hot water, and soap, and just, you don't have to scrub much. You just basically just gently wipe it, and it's clean. And the tool here, I didn't think it'd be handy because a lot of these tools they give us aren't really useful, but this one's actually useful. It scrapes in between the ridges and gets everything out with ease. And one thing I learned, it doesn't cook eggs. So if you hoping to cook a full breakfast on it, it may be possible, but we tried it and the eggs just leaked right out. You'll see in a second, the drip tray caught a lot of it, but a lot of it just spilled out into the cabinet. But this issue is definitely not the fault of the grill. It's not made to make eggs. But besides that, y'all, like, I don't have any major complaints. I know online a lot of people are complaining about the temperature. One thing I will add, when I do use the grill option, I do have to turn the heat up to the highest to get that good sizzle that most of us are looking for. But that's about it when it comes to this video. That's all I have to share with you. If you do have additional questions, feel free to comment and I'll respond as soon as possible. And if you're interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products like this, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. But for this video, that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.